Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Methi Paneer Makhani. This is a very healthy and light recipe, yet it will give you a burst of flavours. You can have this with rice, bread and naan. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. We will need 2 black cardamoms, 1 star anise, cinnamon sticks, peppercorn, 2 bay leaves, and a couple of cloves. We will also need 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon whole coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves, 2 to 3 fresh garlic cloves, and a big piece of ginger, along with 1 big finely chopped onion, 1 big finely chopped tomato, 200 ml of double cream, 200 grams of new cubes, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Not to forget my mum's special spice box, and without it there wouldn't be any awesome flavours. The special ingredient for our dish today is fresh fenugreek leaves. These leaves are extra special as they have been grown in our own garden. Methi leaves are full of nutrients and are very healthy. They also help to improve indigestion and inflammation. So this is how we're going to harvest our freshly grown fenugreek leaves, which are also known as methi. We're going to chop them, wash them, and then use them for our Methi Paneer Makhani. We're going to start by putting 2 tablespoons of oil, and then adding our cinnamon sticks, our peppercorn, black cardamom, cloves, star anise, bay leaves, whole coriander seeds. My mum's going to crush them for extra flavour. With 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now we're going to mix it well, and then we're going to add our garlic ginger paste along with our onions, and then we're going to saute it. Make sure you keep stirring it until your onions are golden brown. Now our onions have a nice golden brown colour, we're going to add our juicy tomatoes. Give it a good mix and saute it for another couple of minutes. As you can see, our tomatoes are nicely sauteed and our oil has started to separate. We're going to start adding our masalas. 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves. My mum's going to crush them for extra flavour. Then we're going to mix everything well. We've mixed all our masalas together to get more flavour. And now we're going to add our washed fenugreek leaves. Then we're going to mix everything together. and cook it for a couple of minutes. As you can see, we have now mixed all our ingredients together, but as the name suggests, this doesn't really look like a makhani. So now it's time to add 200 ml of double cream, and 200 grams of cottage cheese, also known as paneer, to make it look like a real makhani. And then cover it and cook it for another couple of minutes. It's now been a couple of minutes and our makhani is ready. Wow, that smells so delicious. I can smell all of the flavours already. But before we do the plating, we're going to add our secret ingredient, which is 1 tablespoon of honey. This will add flavour and it will taste just like a good restaurant dish. Not to forget that the kids will love it even more. Now it's time for plating. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.